In this video, I will show how to increase PageSpeed Score for WordPress website from 65 to 100 with 3 simple steps. It's a 3000 word page. It has around 20 images and 1 YouTube video embedded. I am using latest version of WordPress and latest version of PHP. It's well optimized theme. I don't use any custom fonts and images are already optimized. I optimize them before uploading to the server. So with this almost optimized website, I am getting 65 score on page speed. So why is that? I have around 25 plugins, 2 external JavaScript, one for Google Analytics, another is for Google Adsense. I have YouTube video embeds, which is also slow, and those 3 factors are slowing down my WordPress website. I will optimize it using 3 plugins that are freely available on WordPress repository. First, let's check PageSpeed insights and understand what we need to improve in order to get higher score. First, contentful paint, which is fast, and this is largest contentful paint is okay. I have total blocking time 4.5 seconds and speed index is 6 seconds. Blocking is usually JavaScript blocks page load time. So if you scroll down and see, YouTube video embed is loading 800 kilobytes and it's adding 3 seconds to page load time. Google Adsense 0.7 seconds, it has 0.4 seconds. Google Analytics 0.3 seconds. Custom fonts because of those ads. And initial server response time 1.5 seconds, which is also too much. That's why I need a caching plugin. Second plugin I need for lazy loading all JavaScript files, internal and external. And third plugin I will use for lazy loading YouTube videos. Videos needs to be loaded when users click on thumbnail. Those are 3 plugins that I will install and configure now. I already installed a plugin called Cache Enabler. Really good and simple plugin. Now let's go and activate it. Then go to settings, go to Cache Enabler. I use these settings, I uncheck everything. I don't want cache to be expired. I will clear cache when I want, when I update my site. I save changes. So now after installing this cache, let's check page speed inside. We need to check page speed twice because first time it will be cached and second time it will be served from cache. PageSpeed score is improved a little bit, it's 67 and root document took half second, which is 3 times improvement compared to previous result. Now let's install second plugin. It's called Flying Scripts. It will lazy load all JavaScript files. It's free plugin. I will activate it. Once activated, go to settings, Flying Scripts. On settings page, we will define which scripts will be lazy loaded. So in include keywords field, I added Google syndication, which is Google Adsense, Google Tag Manager, jQuery Migrate, comment reply, and also I add all scripts inside plugins directory and all inline scripts that rely on jQuery. So all of them will be lazy loaded. So what is lazy loading? It will be loaded on user interaction, or if no interaction happens, no mouse movement or no clicks, no scrolls, then it will load on after 5 seconds. So 5 seconds is okay. I save changes. After saving changes, we need to clear site cache. And now check page speed again. After step 2, we have page speed score 69, which is a little bit improvement. Let's see what happens here. Total blocking time is still big. If we go here, third-party code is very slow. So let's see why. What is this? It's YouTube video, obviously, and this Google APIs are probably inside that YouTube video iframe. So we need to apply a third step to optimize YouTube videos. For the third step of optimization, I will install a plugin called Lazy Embed. Let's activate it now. Plugin activated, and this plugin don't have any settings, so it will automatically convert all YouTube videos to thumbnail, and when you click on thumbnail, it will then load contents of that iframe, and that iframe is using cookieless domain, so your website will remain GDPR friendly. It will be an added bonus for optimization. Let's clear site cache and let's check PageSpeed Score. Remember to check it twice. I have 100 PageSpeed Score. So it's all green and it's super fast. No blocking time, almost no blocking time. And everything is green here. And if we go to diagnostics, to details, it still shows us some optimizations, but they are not much important. 20 kilobytes, 26 kilobytes, it's nothing. And root document is still half second, but you can optimize it further by using server-side cache or by using cache on CDN. And that's it. That's how I get 100 PageSpeed Score. As a bonus, I want to share fourth plugin, which is called HTTP Requests Manager. It's used for monitoring external API calls. On slow pages, it blocks API calls and keeps your WordPress website fast. To apply steps of this tutorial, I have created an easy-to-follow checklist that you can download from my website webpa.com/speed. I use it for all my WordPress websites to optimize it and to get 90 plus PageSpeed Score. If you like this video and want your website to be optimized to 100 in PageSpeed Score, then share this video with your developer or apply steps in this video yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in next video tutorials.